And Lord, continuously bless the celebrant and the whole family from Ninong Gardi, Dinangami, Gaya Gay.
Maraming salamat. Maligayang karawan.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hindi kayo mapigil. Gusto kong masaya tayo. Wala akong maisip na may handog sa may karoon ngayon na minamahal kong anak, kundi yung aking munting kakayahan sa pagbigkas ng tula. Kaya kayo po, lahat ng aking pamilya, may birthday, ay hahandugan ko ng tula ito. Bagamat po ito medyo nakakatawa, huwag na kayo tumawa. Well, ang pamagat po ng tula ko, na aking iaalay sa inyo lahat, ay ang aking alaga. Ako'y mayroong butihing alaga. Maganda, malusog, mabilog na tuta. Malaki ang ulo, makinis ang mukha, na mayroong katawan, gadang kalang haba. Maliksing kumilos, laging nakahanda, na may balahibong ang kulay ay luksa. Itong alaga ko'y mayroong kakanyahan, pagsabit ng gabi lalong tumatama. Sapagkat sa dilim tuta ko'y panlaban, matalas ang mata kahit walang ilaw. Ngunit kahit ito'y sadyang akin lamang, madalas maawit ng hilig manghirap. Itong alaga ko'y masamang magalit, manggigigil itong matigas ang dindi. Di naman maaaring ikagat ang big sapagkat ang hiwa pababat bihilis. Bagamat kataway, magandang pangaplik, di rin may hampas ng dahil sa leeg. Ngunit isang araw, ito po ang siste. Napasyal sa amin siksikong kumay. Tuta ko'y nagwalat, hindi mapakali na para bang mayroong ibig na mangyari. Nang ito'y mapansin itong si kumari, nakangiti siya niya, sabi, galit ang tuta mo sa aking kumpare. Kung gusto ba niya, iyang iyong tuta, ay laman natin sa aking alaga. Maganda matambok ang mantay kong ganda, malaki ang bibig, may siyang dila. Kung hindi kumagat ay di mawala hanggang hindi lumpo ang nakakabangga. Ang paghamon niya hindi ko pinalampas. Hamon na maglaban ng lakas sa lakas. Tutakot ng saan niya yung lamang walang puklat. Sakpa na tuta, may pinagbuwag-wag. Ungit-ngit ng duwende. Ulit-ngit ng duwende. Makaisang oras, lamog ang tuta ko, patay ng bumagsak. Salamat ka.
I'd like to wish my mom a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything you've become to us, to our family. You're such a blessing, and I'm really, really glad that you got to celebrate your 60th birthday with whole family and friends. Cheers, Mama! And then now, let's all sing happy Okay, I'd like to invite everyone to please, let's raise our glasses to my mom. I am really so happy. I'm really so happy that I got to celebrate my 60th birthday with you guys. I considered celebrating in Canada, but I chose to celebrate my 60th here in the Philippines because I wanted to be with all my loved ones, the people who impacted my life during the 60 years of my existence. I thank, first of all, God for giving me this wonderful life. I am truly blessed for having reached this age. And I'm really, really happy and blessed for having such a wonderful, wonderful family. My tatay and inay, I couldn't have where I am today without your guidance. To me, salamat tatay and inay sapagkat naramdaman ko po ang pagmamahal ng mga magulang na dapat po ay talagang maramdaman ng anak. Like, I thank them for your life. And of course, I thank my siblings, my dear Lutoy Elder, and of course, my Ate Alem. I am truly blessed for having you guys as my siblings. And I just want to thank that if there is one person who could ever steal my thunder, it would be my Ate Alem. Because without her, this would not be possible. Thank you so much, Ate. You can steal my thunder anytime. And of course, my ever dearest na family, my three daughters.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Gail and Jenny, I am so thankful to God for having such a wonderful kids. Even though I live in the Western world, I get to, for 26 years I've been living outside the Philippines. And you know how if you live in a Western world, you tend to adapt, the kids tend to adapt the way of life. But thank God that my kids are still Filipino in heart, and I am really thankful to God. And of course, my son-in-laws, King, Dwayne, and Rowan. And by the way, I couldn't have let this night handed over without you saying something to me. Guys.
Hello, Martes. Happy birthday, ma. You guys don't know, ako yung favorite and favorite mother-in-law. Yeah, I wish you happy birthday and good health. Pwede mo birthday sa come para gusto ang food masarap sa bahay. Okay, happy birthday.
Mama P. I'm not good with speeches, but just want to thank you for everything you do for me, for Gail. I know you're always there whenever we need you. We love you, we appreciate you, and we're always grateful to have you in our lives. So thank you very much for everything, and we love you. Happy birthday.
That's a little not that great to go. Mom, I don't know really where to start. One thing I always know about you is you're always asking Jelly if I'm feeling okay or the food all right, or just making sure I feel comfortable because I'm obviously not Filipino. But I'm always grateful that you're always checking up on me and make sure I feel a part of the family, which I do. As you know, the past couple years for me has been pretty rough with my mom passing. And I can proudly say that my mom and myself are grateful that she might not be here when you replaced her. And she's happy in heaven watching down that you are my mother's mother. And I love you, Maggie loves you, and words can express how I feel.
Jelly and Gail.
First gate. Speech!
Okay, ma'am? Well, I am so happy na tuloy itong celebration mo kasi alam ko gusto mo talaga mag-celebrate sa Pilipinas kahit medyo maraming circumstances na tagilid yung ating pag-uwi, pero awa ng Diyos, nakauwi tayong lahat and safe, kahit yung mga bagahe namin hindi nakarating. Pero nagpapasalamat ako kasi I think you are such a great model to me and to my kids. And I look up to you. I hope you know that, ma. Maraming salamat sa mga sakripisyo mo at sa ni Papa. I can say that I had a great childhood at napalaki niyo ako of who I am today dahil sa mga tinuro niyo sa akin, and I hope na maituro ko rin yun sa mga anak ko. I love you, ma, and happy birthday. You deserve all the happiness.
You know how much Rowan and I really appreciate you. Every night I go to bed, I thank God for you and Papa. Even though when you're feeling sick, you're feeling tired, you still take care of my kids because you know we need the break. I wouldn't know where my family would be without your and Papa's support. We are incredibly blessed to have you as our parent. You deserve all this. I know you wanted this, you deserve all this and more. I'm so happy for you that you got to celebrate your 60th birthday with your loved ones. You were looking forward to this. Like what Abigail said, there were so many times that we weren't sure if you were going to be making it here, but by God's grace, everything happened and we are so grateful, and we love you so much.
Happy birthday. Not the texture speak in front of a crowd, but I'll try. Just want to let you know that we appreciate you, we love you, and although we don't say enough, I appreciate you so much, and you deserve to be celebrated, not just today, but every day. I'm so grateful for your life.
And
course, last but not least, my husband, my better half, without him. The past year, we've gone through a lot, well, health-wise, but thank God that we are all celebrating his 60th birthday, my 60th birthday with you. I love you, and
First, I want to thank the Lord na binigyan niya ako ng asawa na caring, walang bola to, loving and selfless. I just hope and pray na magkasama pa kayong matagal. If you remember, hirap magsalita. Alam mo yung dahil? Yes! If you remember, ang sabi ko sa'yo, pag nagsasalita ka, huwag mo dito kunin, right? Dito mo kunin. Kaya sinasabi ko sa'yo, if we have a chance to stay back the time, at bata pa tayo, ikaw pa rin yung asawa.
And of course, I want to thank everybody who really find the time to be with me, my Nagohay family. Of course, Beth, Anthony, everybody. I mean, I really want to celebrate this birthday with you guys because you've been a part of my life. So thank you so much, Lord, for this wonderful night. I hope you guys enjoy this time.
Thank you, Mama. Shoulder, knees, head. Okay. Kung sino yung may cup, maiiwan. Walang cup.
Alis!
Thank you very much. Okay. Ilan na natira? Now, find your pair. Okay. Kayo dalawa, kuya. So, usap tayo ng konti. Para may pag-make up pa rin yan. Oh, pull up. Akin na to. Lagay niya, lagay niyo sa gitna. Lagay niyo sa gitna. Tapos ito. Ay, meron na, okay? Okay. Isa pa. Ready? Knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, cut! Aba, pwede pa. Wala pang... Okay, apat ang matira. Okay. Sige lang ka. Oh. Hindi sa gitna. Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, head, knees, shoulder. Ayan, nandito na, nandito na. Head, knees, shoulder, cut! Okay.
Last one!
Isa lang. Hindi ba? Isa lang panalo. Okay. So, magkabilang dulo. Ate, doon ka sa kabila. Ikaw, doon ka sa kabila.
Dito!
Okay.
Dito!
Layo pa. Okay. Bawal madapa. Ito ka, ate.
Pareho ng distance nyo.
Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, head. Ay, ate, oh. Tumahapang na. Head, knees, shoulder, cut.
Ano?